Here's how I got immediate access to the best bar in Melbourne on Saturday night using our Alex Hormozi reverse psychology technique. So I walked into the best bar in Melbourne on Saturday night on a hot day, and I just walked straight into the front, used this technique that I learned from Alex, which is basically using what we call forcing the no. So you basically say to them, would you be opposed of me going upstairs right now and having a table for 2 people? I looked closely on your side, it only said that you could book over 4 people. So what you're doing here is you're actually forcing the no. It's reverse psychology, because people feel safer saying no. So then when you force the no, they go, well, you know, I wouldn't be against you going upstairs and having a table. And then it allows you to have more influence from there. And then I used another technique that I've learned in sales, which is called a because frame. When you say something that you want and then you go because reason, you're 80% more likely to actually influence that person in doing what you're suggesting. So then I said, well, because we tried to, on your side, it only said 4 or more, and this was a last minute thing, and we really want to have a good date night. So as a result of that, we got immediate access, straight up the lift, straight into the best bar in Melbourne on Saturday night. So thank you, Alex, for that reverse psychology technique. It worked really well.